Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So Charlotte Tilbury is officially launched in India, Nykaa guys. I was so happy like anybody else because Charlotte Tilbury is one of the Hollywood's favorite celebrity makeup artists. She's amazing. Her work is amazing. All her makeup trends are amazing. But her makeup brand is, I feel, I don't have anything against her or her brand, but I feel Charlotte Tilbury is overhyped and it's very expensive. But I would also like to add that the quality of the products are top notch. Still, I would put it in the category of it's very expensive, guys, because as you would have seen the thumbnail. Today's video is going to be the review of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I do have 3 lipsticks. I didn't pick it up from Nykaa. I picked it up. My brother picked it up for me from Malaysia a year back. So since I came to know that they're going to launch this in Nykaa, I wanted to do a review for you guys so that it will be useful for you. So if this is of interest for you guys, then please keep watching. But before that, do subscribe and also click on the bell button so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, guys, talking about the packaging. It comes in a very beautiful packaging like this. It has got a beautiful rose gold kind of packaging, which is absolutely beautiful. It looks stunning. So this is how it looks. It feels heavy and it feels very luxurious, I should say that. And it's a bullet lipstick, guys. So it's like a very regular bullet lipstick. This is the shade The Queen, which I have on my lips. So this is how the lipstick looks in the tube. They do have the color, name of the color in the bottom part. They are not color coordinated. They all have this rose gold kind of packaging. So I do have two different formulas with me. I have 2 mattes. These are called Matte Evolution lipsticks, and this is called the Kiss type, Kiss range. I don't know, I'm not very sure because it's not mentioned here. So yeah, this is all about the packaging, guys. So guys, talking about the fragrance, this has got a vanilla cupcake kind of fragrance, which I'm not a very big fan of because I generally don't like fragrance in my makeup products or skincare for that matter, because I do have a very sensitive skin and nose, so I don't like fragrance in my makeup or skincare. So that's that. And talking about the formula, this is in the shade The Queen. It's a matte. It's from the Matte Evolution shade. Again, I'll put all the information in the description box below for you guys. So that's what I have on my lips. It's a nice pink, fuchsia pink kind of color. And the formula I will show you now. This is like a very creamy matte. It's like a velvet on your lips. The application is also very smooth. There's no tug or pull, and when you apply it on your lips, it doesn't accentuate your fine lines, and it's very moisturizing on the lips. So guys, talking about the longevity, these lipsticks do not last for a long time because these are creamy bullet lipsticks, so they don't last. Generally, these bullet lipsticks, they don't last on your lips for a longer time because they're creamy, and this is more creamier. So the longevity, I would say, is like 1 to 1.5 hours, and you can reapply, and that doesn't make your lips look crumble or anything of that sort. It's very comfortable. I do love using nice bullet lipsticks on everyday basis because I don't like to use liquid lipsticks for everyday, because that will make your lips look very dry and crumble, so I don't like that look. So this looks absolutely beautiful on the lips, and it's gonna suit all skin tones no matter what. But there aren't a lot of shades in Nykaa, you guys. I just checked out in my in the Nykaa app. It's not all shades are available. I couldn't find this shade Queen in Nykaa, so I don't know. I just found one shade that I have, Stone Rose. So I'll talk about it later. So this is Queen, that's on my lips, and it's very beautiful, and it's gonna work through skin tones. So yeah, guys, the quality is good. It feels very luxurious on the lips and all that. I do agree, but you do have a lot of brands that which sells beautiful lipstick formulas, like K Beauty. I really love K Beauty lip products, guys, because it's very comfortable, it's long lasting, and the colors are to die for. And everybody, there's color for everyone. So I really like K Beauty products. And yeah, there are a lot of brands, so many brands that's available in India where you can buy your lipsticks less than 1000 rupees, and it's bomb.com. So I wouldn't say that these lipsticks are must-haves, but these lipsticks look very beautiful in your vanity, sitting there in your vanity, beautiful and all that. But I wouldn't say this is absolutely necessary. You just have to go there and buy it right now. No, it's not like that. But if you like to spend money on this, you can definitely go ahead and buy, because why not? It's beautiful, the formula is beautiful, the colors are beautiful. But if I wanted to pick more colors from this, I'm definitely not going to do, because it's expensive like anything. Because one lipstick retail for rupees 3150. So yeah, it's very expensive, guys. So yeah, this is my take on these lipsticks, and I hope you all like the review, the short review. So let's get into the swatches. So guys, the one that's on my lips right now is called Stone Rose, that you can see in the swatch, my hand swatch and my lips. It's such a beautiful peachy nude color that's going to suit light to medium skin tones. It's a beautiful color, I would say, but the problem is it is not going to work on deeper skin tones, because that might wash them out. Finding a good peach nude shade for Indian skin tone is very challenging, because not every peachy tones, nude tones will suit Indian skin tone, but this is so gorgeous. But it's it doesn't look like lipstick, guys. It mostly looks like a gloss for me. And let me show you. It completely transfers, and it just goes away in no time, guys. So this is Stone Rose for you. So the second shade that I have for you guys is Born Girl. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful deep berry kind of shade. And as I said before, this is a beautiful deep berry sort of color, which is absolutely beautiful, and this is going to work on all skin tones, and it mostly works on deeper skin tones. It's going to look gorgeous on deeper skin tones. So yeah, this is a little bit tad bit matte than the Stone Rose shade, but it's really beautiful. It's such a unique cool tone color, guys. Cool tone berry color. So it's a beautiful shade. I really like this shade. So this is Born Girl for you guys. The last and my most favorite shade from what I have is called the Queen. So let me swatch it for you guys. And guys, this is such a gorgeous fuchsia hot pink color, which is beautiful. It's such a gorgeous shade. This is a kind of shade that instantly brightens your face, even if you don't wear makeup. Just apply this lipstick and little bit of mascara or eyeliner, and your face will look immediately brighter. So it's such a gorgeous shade, and I see all skin tones rocking this shade because it's such a beautiful shade. And yeah, this is the queen for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also post your valuable comments, because that means the world to me, and I absolutely love reading your comments. And I hope this video was helpful, because for you to actually decide if you want to pick this up or not. And yeah, I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next video. Bye.